Hey, I'm a divorce attorney. It's my job to be paranoid about this stuff and save you from decisions and actions which could end up causing you harm. Are you going to screw up the outcome of your case if you're dating while you're going through your divorce? Stay tuned because you're about to find out. Although there are no laws prohibiting you from dating while going through your divorce, I would recommend that if you haven't already been dating during the period of time while you're separated from your spouse before the divorce is filed, don't start dating once the divorce has actually been filed. For example, if you've been separated for 9 months but no divorce has been filed and you're not dating anyone, then either you or your spouse files a divorce and a couple of weeks or months down the road you get on a dating app and you're out and about and you meet someone and you're just so drawn to them that you want to begin a relationship with them during the divorce process. That's what I'm talking about. If you can hold off until the divorce is over, you may want to consider that. Why? Well, for any number of reasons, but I'm going to give you some. First, this is a very emotional time in your life. You want to be making relationship decisions with a clear mind. You don't want to get hurt by someone taking advantage of your vulnerability, either by leading you on thinking this is love, or by someone who could potentially try to blackmail you if they don't get what they want from you, and then they threaten to contact your spouse and testify against you in your divorce. Hey, I'm a divorce attorney. It's my job to be paranoid about this stuff and save you from decisions and actions which could end up causing you harm. Second, if you have children, there's a possibility that your spouse could use this new relationship against you in some way. For example, in a custody battle. You may be wondering, how would they do that? Well, how much do you know about this new person you're dating? Have you run a criminal background check on them? There's a good chance your spouse will. If I'm representing them, I would. Do you really know that person and their background? Do you know about their stability, their job history, their friendships, their relationships with other people? Do you know if they've been in any kind of trouble before? When you're in the midst of the divorce, you probably won't be looking very critically at somebody who comes into your life and validates you. Maybe that's why you're in a divorce. Either you're not being validated or your spouse isn't feeling validated, but somebody new comes along and they validate you and they make you feel wonderful. You're going to be vulnerable to that. You see, it's nothing at all for your spouse to hire a private investigator and spend thousands of dollars digging up information on this person that could be used against you in any number of ways. I can't tell you for sure what to do on this video because I don't know your full situation, such as whether your spouse is also dating during the divorce or whether you two have already agreed in writing that you can see other people. And by the way, if you do come to that agreement, get it in writing. Even if it's just text or email, but get something written down so that they can't try and use that against you later. But even with all that, I'd still be very careful about who you're seeing and don't let them get too close to you too soon, especially not to your children. If you're currently dating, I don't know how long you've been dating that person you're seeing now. I don't know how integrated they become in your life and in your children's lives and how your spouse perceives that person. Hey, maybe they see them as a stabilizing force in your life and not as a threat. So my intent here in this video is just to encourage you to exercise extreme caution when it comes to dating during a divorce and refrain from getting into a new relationship after the filing of the divorce. You're both vulnerable emotionally as well as from the standpoint of the outcome of your divorce and whatever custody issues you may be dealing with. Also, are you really yourself during this period in your life? And are you currently the whole person you want to present to that other individual that you may want to date? Now, if you're already dating or going to be dating during a divorce anyway, make sure that you don't spend any money on that other person. The money you earn during your marriage belongs to you and your spouse, and the optics of spending marital money on dinners and vacations and flowers and shopping trips and clothing and who knows what else, those optics are pretty bad, so don't do it. My purpose here in this video is just to inform you, then you can take all these factors into consideration, exercise caution, and you make the decision that you feel is right for you and your entire situation. Hey, thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. Be sure to click subscribe, like, follow, whatever is appropriate for the platform you're watching it on, and turn on the alerts so you get notified when we post our newest videos. Please share these videos with people you care about who need to see this information, repost them, and let's get this information out to people who need to know. Also, leave us some comments. Let me know if you agree. Let me know if you have questions or suggestions for other topics. I really want to hear what you have to say. Just keep it polite. Remember to join our Facebook group at Georgia Divorce and Custody and join in the discussion. And as always, I look forward to seeing you on the next video.